Qwen AI is here. While Sora and Kling are either pricey or locked, Qwen AI is 100% free, letting you create stunning videos in seconds. No limits, no wait. Stick around until the end, and you'll see the magic unfold. Let's dive in Qwen AI. Welcome to AI Ustad 2.0 for latest AI updates. Let's go to Google and search for Qwen AI. Click on the first link that appears. You'll also find this link in the description of the video. This will take you to the official homepage of Qwen AI. Using this powerful tool, we can generate high-quality videos for free. Now that we're on the homepage of Qwen, you'll see several AI models available at the top. These models are designed for different tasks. For video generation, we'll choose Qwen 3, which is their most powerful, dense model. Qwen AI can be used for a variety of creative and technical purposes, such as deep research, art effects, image generation, video generation, code writing, and more. However, in this video, we'll focus specifically on video generation. Click on the Video Generation section. You'll see an option to choose the aspect ratio of the video. This is useful if you want to generate content for different platforms. For our first video, let's select the standard 16:9 aspect ratio, perfect for YouTube and widescreen presentations. Next, we'll enter our first prompt into the input box. The prompt is, a painter is applying paint to the canvas with a brush, and the colors are gradually becoming rich. Now press enter, and Qwen will begin generating your video. It usually takes just a few seconds, so be patient while the AI does its work. Once the video is ready, you can play it, download it, or even share it. You can also like or dislike the video to give feedback on the result. Let's click play to preview it. As you can see, Qwen AI has turned the text prompt into a vivid video that matches exactly what we had in mind. To save it, simply click on the download button. After a few seconds, your video will be ready to open. You've just created a high-quality video using only a short prompt. How cool is that? Now let's generate another video, but this time we'll change the aspect ratio to 9:16, which is ideal for vertical platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Click on the ratio option and choose 9:16, then enter this creative prompt. Several red ladybugs carrying tiny houses made of mushrooms of various colors on their backs slowly moved across the lush green grass, resembling a mobile garden. Press enter, and again, wait a few seconds. Qwen AI will process your request and generate a new video for you. Once it's done, click play and preview it. The result is fantastic. You can see ladybugs walking slowly, their mushroom houses adding a magical touch to the entire scene. The animation looks detailed and true to the prompt. Click download to save it, and once it's finished, open the file to view your completed video. As you've just seen, video generation with Qwen AI is simple, efficient, and entirely free. You can use this tool to create professional-looking videos in just a few steps. While other platforms like Kling AI or Sora AI may offer similar features, most of them are paid and have limitations. Qwen AI, on the other hand, gives you full access to premium quality generation tools at no cost. So why wait? Try Qwen AI for yourself and explore all the creative possibilities it offers. Let us know in the comments what you created or plan to create. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to AI Ustad 2.0 for more AI tools, updates, and exciting tutorials. See you in the next video with another amazing AI tool.